We didn't manage to do the egg hunt the other day, so I've just hidden all the eggs on the camp and the kids are going to go off and find them. I've managed to convince Stu to do some editing outside in the sun rather than being cooped up. And it means the van stays a little bit cleaner for longer. And this one has just commandeered a table to do some arts and crafts on after.
Yeah, and I just brought it all over here by myself.
Right, is Dexter coming out for this egg hunt then?
No.
Go ask him if he wants to cut. So I've only done it to the end of this row, okay? So it will just be around these pictures here. Go!
Here.
Oh yeah, you little scurrier. How many have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well done. Dexter's too good at this. He's literally finding them all. Oliver!
Yeah?
Come closer to me. To be fair, I think Dexter's cleaned up. He's like got loads. How many have you got?
2.
2.
4.
4.
You don't have this. We now both have 3.
We always share them out at the end anyway. That'll keep him busy for the next 5-10 minutes. How many have you got?
1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11.
My goodness. How many have you got?
I got 3.
Front.
I found it! Oh, you cheater!
You told her about that one. Come on then, on the table, let's count them out.
No.
So today we've had a busy day on site. We haven't actually managed to venture off anywhere. Stu's been editing a video most of the day. I've basically done an egg hunt with the kiddies. We've done some arts and crafts at the table and I had to join in. I felt so guilty about not getting him an anniversary card. I had to make him one. Look at that. It's got wiggly eyes. I was really impressed with it, and he did give me a bit of a laugh actually, because when I gave it to him he was so surprised. He had a bit of a giggle. I thought it was really funny. Anyway, he's gone in. He's finished editing his video and I've just been in to check on him because we've just all been for showers, and I've come back and he's asleep. He's actually snoring on the sofa. So shh, come and have a look at this. So not to disturb him, I've come back out and he's watching a film, and what'll happen is as soon as I turn the film off he'll go, "Hey, I was watching that." But because we both forgot about the anniversary, what we've done is we've booked ourselves onto a really cool site south of here, and we're going to have a bit of a spoilt day. So I'm not sure if we're going to pick up the camera, but then again we may do, I don't know. But yeah, we're going to go basically have a spa day, have some lunch and really make it up to each other, because we were a bit naughty today. We decided because we'd forgotten it was a bit of a write-off and that we should just start afresh tomorrow. So yeah, I shall see you in the morning. It looks like it's going to be a quiet evening. I'm going to put the kiddies to bed soon. Yeah, they're all chilling now. So I feel like it's only fair that I go and have a glass of red and sit down. And because they were having a funny 5 minutes in here, they've woken their dad up. There he was, sound asleep, loving life, little snores and no more. Here he is.
I was having a nana nap. Knackered this morning, really took it out of me. Just knocked me for 6.
And all that editing he's been doing. So yeah, bless him, he can have a relax now. The kids have gone up there. I'm going to go join them so they're not on their own. And yeah, thank you guys as well for all the comments on our social media of congratulations and all of that stuff for the happy anniversary well wishes and stuff. It's meant a lot to us. We've enjoyed reading every single one of them. Thank you so much for those. And yeah, I'm going to leave him. Looks like I'm going up the park. Yay! Good morning. So we've just left the campsite we went on to for 24 hours to have a bit of a treat. We got a bit of FOMO from our friends, so went and stayed in Portavardy for a night on a spa. We've just hit the road to head down south towards Glasgow.
Thank you.
We've just left Portavardy, we're heading towards Glasgow, and I thought it was a little bit strange that we were driving by Dunoon because we've just ended up on a ferry. We haven't booked it or paid for it.
We've literally just rocked up, the guy's shooing me out. It's like, I haven't bought a ticket.
No, not a ticket. We're on a ferry. We have no idea where we'll be a ferry to. But yeah, the sat nav has literally shown water about 2 seconds ago when we realised we might have made a bit of a boo-boo.
Oh, do you know what? Look at this, look at this. Right, so rather than drive all the way up here, you'd have to go all the way up here, down here, yeah, to get to this area.
To bite a Barton, yeah.
Yeah. What it's done is, look, it's brought us up across, straight to there. So we're going to skip all of that.
Do you know how much it's going to cost?
I have absolutely no idea, but we're already on here. Oops, that's bonkers.
So yeah, the kids didn't even know about it either. So kids, just so you know, we've just landed on a ferry by accident.
As I can see, I know.
So we're about to cross a loch on a ferry by accident.
That's cool, isn't it?
For free.
What?
I'm just going to get this.
Yeah, quickly.
I gotta pay. Hello. Can I pay by card?
I'm your man for that, yeah. Is it a single journey for you?
Yes, please.
Yeah, we didn't even realise we were having
I
a
didn't even know I was
journey.
getting on this ferry till about 5 minutes
There
ago.
is people, you chat at the window and they're wondering why you're at their window. They think they're in the car park, you know. They say, no, you're in a boat, you have left. What?
No, I've put it in the sat nav, look.
Right, you got to say no boats or bridges or...
Yeah, I didn't even know.
I get seasick. I can't believe we've done this.
Thank you very much. Oh, to be fair, lovely bloke. He says, how many? I said 2 adults, 3 kids. He said, I can't see the kids. He said, it'll be bad enough as it is.
Yeah.
So it was £5.70 for the adults and £32 for the motorhome itself. So yeah, £43.40. But you know what? We're going on a ferry across a loch. That's pretty cool.
He did say we could get out the motorhome as well and go and have a look around, so I might do that. But this is the most random,
unexpected
boat ride.
Yeah, we haven't even picked up the camera for like 24 hours. We had a chill day yesterday. It was our anniversary the day before, so yesterday we went to a little spa, didn't we? Had a nice swim, a nice chill. Got up this morning, it's like, right, we're starting to head south. Been driving for the last, what, 40 minutes?
About that, yeah.
And then I see it on the sat now. I was like, oh, there's a bridge coming up. It's not a bridge. It's a ferry.
Oh well, at least we can enjoy it.
Yeah, it'd be cool. I'm looking forward to it.
It's probably cheaper actually to be on here than it would have been to go up and around.
Well,
anyway.
that's it. By the time you look at the fuel going around, alright, this is probably a little bit more pricier, but you save a little bit of time. And how ironic is it that as we rocked up to it, the ferry was here boarding. We were about the 4th, 5th person on.
Yeah, meant to be.
Bonkers. Right.
Let's go enjoy the ferry then.
Yeah. Right, here you are. So to do this drive would take us 2 hours 8 minutes, which is 84 miles. So that's about a quarter of a tank, so about 25 quid. So it's cost us 20 quid, but we saved the 2 hour drive.
Yeah.
And I get a break. I mean, it's not going to take 2 hours on a ferry. That to me looks like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But assuming we are going to Levan. What does it say on the ticket?
That's hilarious.
The ticket will tell me where we're going. Knowing my luck now, right? It's going to sail out here. It's going to go north. Yeah. Where are we actually going? Dunoon Terminal. Right. Okay. It doesn't say where we're going. So I go check, see where we are actually going.
It might be worth knowing that. Yeah. We can plan the rest of the route. The best part was we were planning to get a ferry to go over to the islands on the north of Scotland, but we figured with the cost of them that we might have to leave it on this occasion, and yeah, it's quite funny now that we've ended up on one anyway. So I think I'm going to go and give you to Stu and he can show you around, because there's no way I'm getting out of this motorhome.
So I'm hoping that's the port we left up there, and we're just going to the other side over there.
So that was the quickest ferry ever. I literally managed to make a sandwich and give everyone a packet of crisps. By the time we've eaten those, we've finished. We're just pulled in now, so what a smooth ferry. I mean, obviously because it's near, it could be because it's locks, couldn't it? That they're flatter.
You like them kind of ferries, don't you? Because you didn't even know you was on a ferry.
No, it was good. Yeah, so it was good. So I even got an Easter egg out thinking I could munch on this on the way over, but we've made it to the other side, so no more eating for me now. And on with our journey. Any idea where we're going, love? Or where we are?
I know we're heading to Glasgow now. We did land where I said we were going to land earlier.
Okay, cool. Definitely busier over this side anyway.
Yeah.
It's been a bit of a mammoth drive today. It's taken us quite a few hours, even with the ferry crossing, but we've managed to find a place called Bruce's Cave, campervan and camping site. So we're staying on here tonight. We've got a little bit of laundry we need to do, and tomorrow we're going to be heading south towards Birmingham. The reason we're heading back now is because we want to get the van absolutely sorted out, and we've got a few things that we've basically got to get done. So we've just got to go and do all that before we can hit the road again. But yeah, we'll fill you in on that next time, I think. Me and Stu will sit down and tell you about what our plans are together. But for now, we need to just get ourselves on our pitch. I need to chill. Everyone needs to chill, actually. Today has been really tiring, and I'm not sure why, but we do all feel pretty exhausted. So yeah, a nice relaxed evening tonight, I think.
You're going to like this, babe.
Why is that?
Oh, my butt's still a bit sore from falling the other day. We got a cave on site, a real cave.
Is that why it's called Bruce's Cave?
Well, Bruce is a bit greedy, and if he's keeping it all for himself.
Yeah, but we rocked up here and I was like, oh, this place looks a bit weird.
But welcome to King Robert the Bruce's Cave. So it's just up here. It's supposed to be a really good cave. There's also, right behind our pitch, a big park for the kids.
Yeah.
I asked if we could leave the kids in the cave. She said I wouldn't really recommend it. Laundry's behind this shop here. And she said there's a lovely walk down there that takes you down by the side of the river. She said it's quite romantic.
Oh, sounds lovely.
And then I got some duct tape for some bondage later.
Right.
Oh. Very reasonable.
Nice. There's an old caravan, look at that. Every time we travel, the van always ends up in an absolute state. Got paper aeroplanes, the lot. And I literally cleaned it up 5 minutes ago when we were in McDonald's, so God knows what they get up to. Just throwing paper around and that. But yeah, I'll tidy this up, and then it looks like we're going for a walk to this cave now, doesn't it?
So just off the campsite there's this path, and the path leads to both the cave that's here, and then apparently there's a nice river walk. We're just interested in the cave, so we're gonna go check it out. Found the cave, love.
That's good. It's not too far. Except you put me down loads of steps again.
That we got to walk back up.
Yeah.
But to be fair, our motorhome is literally not even a minute away.
Yeah, but it's all now uphill.
So a little bit of history. This cave was actually used to hide stalls. So where this campsite is, it's very close between the border of England and Scotland. And King Robert the Bruce is from this neck of the woods. And legend has it, he used to hide in this cave. And, well, not hide in the cave, but this was like his place of wisdom then. He used to come here and he would ponder his thoughts, and apparently he kept watching a spider trying to make a web, and it kept failing, but it kept going and going and going until it finally got it, and that's apparently what gave him the motivation he needed to carry on and eventually defeat the English. But here's the cave. Hello. Oh. Well, it's a bloody cold cave. Bit grim. But what's that? Oh, it's different types of stone. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Maybe it will over here. But you can see there's like some different stone there to the rest of it. Do you give on your house, love? We're homeless no more. This is all for you.
Thanks, lad. Comes with windows and everything.
Oh yeah. It's got good ventilation.
It's got a balcony.
Yeah, balcony views.
Yeah. Back onto a river.
Yeah, the river's down there for you all to have a bath and wash your clothes.
That's awesome. And all of us even picked me a flower. So that's the start of my flower garden. It's kind, isn't it, babe?
So
Bring us to all the best places.
I'm too good to her. But apparently as well, there's something below. I'm sure they said there was something below. Ooh,
yeah.
That's actually quite high.
A drop. A drop is what's below a drop. And
right.
Actually, this ain't safe.
Yeah. So whilst we're looking here, we realise we're actually suspended in the air on like a wooden balcony type thing. Yeah, it's perfectly safe, but yeah, it's just a drop down there. The river looks nice.
Yeah. Muddy.
Well, that's not very positive now, is it, Charlie?
I'm not feeling very positive today. I feel a bit sick.
You feeling sick?
Mum.
Oh, thanks, love. Aw, look, see, I can just about get a pot now.
So I say, danger, fall in rocks, do not enter. Isn't that where they got the bridge, love?
Yeah, I think it is actually. I'm glad we've done the bridge before seeing that.
Yeah. Oh, and this would be the nice little river walk you can do. That's alright, isn't it?
It's more like a brook than a river though, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah, I like it though.
You know.
We like water though, don't we? Whether it be the sea, a lake, a loch,
Yeah.
or a river. We just likes the water. Oh, another rope swing.
Yeah, I found it.
Oh, that's a proper one. Good thing is, it won't matter if it snaps, they can all swim, love.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, they've even got one down there for a baby, look.
Yeah.
Oliver, yours is in the river, mate.
Oh, damn. Yeah.
Right, so that one's for you.
Oh, nice. I don't think you should go on this.
Do you reckon I could have a go on that one, love?
No chance.
Dad, this is going to break.
Yeah, there's no chance, that's holding me.
Yeah.
You enjoy it, kiddo.
Whee! Mom, I want to go.
Oh, little miss.
Do you see
I'm in first of line, yeah. Well, that wasn't very clever, was it?
No, it wasn't. This is good.
I remember having one of these down Ogmore where I live, and it used to go over the river. We used to love going there.
Yeah, if there's one bay, if you go fat down in here, you could use it.
So I know how much you're enjoying that, Dex.
Guys, frog!
A frog?
Yeah!
Where?
There! Dead frog!
Oh, it is a dead frog as well.
Dead frog?
Ew. Just there.
Oh, R.I.P.
What'd you do to her?
Had a notching.
Stu's filled up my time with that walk, which wasn't the nicest in flip-flops, but it was alright. Bit steep on the way back. So we come back to the laundrette now.
Well, it's still 18 minutes on it.
Yeah, well that's what I'm saying, it hasn't been half an hour. Because he put one token in for half an hour, but I love how the washing machine's actually moved for its spin. Because it wasn't sticking out like that just now.
No.
So we've got to put that on, then we've got to do the drying. And then can we chill?
Yeah, but I think something's happened. That's still saying it's got 18 minutes. I'm gonna have to go speak to reception.
Yeah, we weren't only 10 minutes just now.
We were more than 10 minutes.
So Stu went and got the lady and she's come to basically put it on a refresh wash now. Apparently the spin wasn't on it long enough or high enough or something. So it meant that all our clothes would have come out absolutely soaking. So that's been sorted. So 28 minutes, our washing will be done.
There we are, job done.